First, let's create a shape, and for this example, I'm gonna make 3 triangle shapes using the star shape tool to create a pine tree. Use down arrow to decrease the corner until it becomes a triangle shape. Let's arrange it. Now I will make a copy of the triangle shape by going to the edit menu and select copy. To paste it, go back to the edit and select paste or Ctrl V. Let's scale it to be larger than the first triangle. I'm gonna do it one more time and again make it larger than the second triangle. Now let's make the stem part using the rectangle tool and put it at the bottom. Now before we combine these shapes, let's open the Pathfinder panel. Let's go to Window menu. From the drop down list, let's select Pathfinder. For shortcut, Shift Ctrl F9. Now let's select all 4 shapes, and under Pathfinder panel, let's select the Unite under Shape Mode section. Now these 4 shapes were combined as one shape. You can also duplicate this again and select them both and click the Unite again to join these trees as one shape. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.